One year, the population of a city was 209,000. Several years later, it was 244,530. Find the percent increase. So just like in any other percent increase problem, we have two steps. First, find the amount of change. It'd be great if I could spell the correctly. We'll just say find amount of change. And use the change, use the amount to find the percent increase. Okay, so finding the amount of change is pretty simple. You just subtract the smaller one from the larger one. So this is the final value, which is larger, and we'll subtract this from there, which it's got a lot of zeros, so hopefully that makes it a little easier. So we're going to end up with this 530 part is going to just stay the same. That part's easy. And then I'm just thinking 44 minus 9 right here, which gives me 35. And then we have to find the amount. We have to use that amount to find the percent increase. So we use that amount and divide the original amount from that, which is 209. Or, sorry, 209,000. So, looking for a good place to write this. This is going to be a doozy. So because they both end in 0, we can take that 0 at the end off of it to make it a little easier. So 209,000 is not going to go in there at all. So we're going to need to write a 0 and then a decimal point. And put the decimal point here, add a 0. So this is now 20,900 is going to go into 35,530 in just one time. So we'll subtract that. Now I know these are pretty big numbers here, but it's good for you. Subtracting that, we end up with the 30 on the end will stay the same. 5 minus 9 is going to give us a 6. And then we need to think 4 minus 0 will give us 4. And then this will give us 1. Since this giant 20,000 number won't go into 14,000 at all, we are going to say we need to add another 0. Then it's going to go in. Looks like it'll go in just about 7 times. And I'll just have you take my word for that. A lot of quick math in my head. We're going 7 times pretty much exactly. And that gives us 17. 0.17 is the answer, or 17% increase.